Leaders for Life campaign is all about helping company bosses take steps to improve their own driving, improve their employees' driving, and really take the big steps to make our roads safer.
The ultimate risk that all organisations face if they don't manage the risk of people driving on their behalf is that people will die, people will be injured, and they may be your own employees. They may be people who are killed or injured by your employees, damaging your reputation. Brake is really proud to support the Leaders for Life initiative from BigChange. It's a fantastic initiative that demonstrates the importance of partnership and the role that we can all play in our different organisations.
Business can play a real part in reducing road deaths. Over 500 people are killed a year due to travel that is business related. If leaders drive more safely, then employees will definitely follow suit. It's all about being an example and showing the teams out there, the employees, that we're all on the same floor, we're all driving on the same roads.
The commitment has to come from the top. It has to be at chief executive level. Managing directors need to be saying, we commit to road safety in this company, it matters to us.